My name is Telornado. You might know me as the half-boiled egg with a curious mind. Today, I am wearing a full astronaut suit, not for fun, but for a mission. Out here, in the endless black of space, curiosity is our greatest tool. My goal is to take you on a journey across our solar system, to share with you the wonders I have seen, and to begin with one of the most fascinating and misunderstood worlds, Venus. But along the way, we will touch other objects in space, planets, asteroids, stars, and even the great mysteries like black holes. The view from space, from my position here, floating just outside Earth's orbit, I can see our home in the distance. A blue marble wrapped in white clouds, spinning slowly in the darkness. Looking away from Earth, the rest of the solar system stretches out like a vast cosmic neighborhood. 8 planets, dozens of moons, billions of asteroids, and a scattering of comets orbit the sun in a gravitational dance that has lasted for billions of years. Each object has a story. Each one is a world with its own history. Approaching Venus. My first destination is Venus, the second planet from the sun, from far away. Venus looks calm and beautiful, glowing with a yellowish white light. But beauty, in this case, is deceiving. Venus is a world of extremes. Its surface temperature can reach up to 465 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. The air is thick with carbon dioxide, and clouds of sulfuric acid swirl in its atmosphere. Standing there without protection would be impossible. Even spacecraft struggle to survive for more than a few hours on its surface. The rotation mystery. Venus also rotates in a strange way. A day on Venus, one full rotation lasts 243 Earth days, but it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the sun. This means that a single day on Venus is longer than its year, and it gets stranger. Venus spins in the opposite direction compared to most other planets. So if you could stand on its surface and look up, the sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. History of exploration. Humans have been trying to understand Venus for decades. In 1961, the Soviet spacecraft Venera 1 was the first to attempt a flyby, but communication was lost. Later missions like Venera 7 in 1970 successfully landed and transmitted data from the surface briefly. It lasted only 23 minutes before the harsh conditions destroyed it. NASA's Magellan spacecraft in the 1990s mapped the planet's surface using radar, revealing mountains, volcanoes, and vast plains. Venus is often called Earth's twin because they are similar in size and mass, but their paths could not be more different. While Earth developed oceans and life, Venus became a hostile greenhouse world. Understanding why could help us protect our own planet from the dangers of climate change. Scientists believe Venus once had oceans, but a runaway greenhouse effect boiled them away, leaving the planet dry and scorched. Leaving Venus. As I fire my thrusters and pull away from Venus, I look back at its swirling clouds. It is a reminder that beauty in space can hide danger, and that science is often the only way to uncover the truth. Visiting Mercury. Before heading farther out, I make a quick stop at Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system and the one closest to the sun, with almost no atmosphere to protect it. Mercury faces extreme temperatures for 130 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 180 at night. It is a world of craters and cliffs shaped by impacts and the slow cooling of its interior. The asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky and metallic leftovers from the early solar system. Here, objects range from tiny pebbles to dwarf planets like Ceres. Some asteroids are rich in metals, others in water ice. In the future, they could become valuable resources for space exploration. Gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a gas giant with no solid surface. Its great red spot is a storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Saturn, with its magnificent rings, is another gas giant. Its moons are worlds in their own right. Titan is lakes of liquid methane, and Enceladus sprays water vapor from beneath its icy crust, potential signs of life below. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants. Uranus spins on its side, likely due to a massive collision in the past. Neptune, the farthest planet, has winds that reach to 1,000 kilometers per hour. Both are made mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ice, giving them a blue-green color. Beyond the planets, beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, home to Pluto and countless icy bodies. Farther still, the Oort cloud is a theoretical shell of comets surrounding the solar system, a boundary between us and interstellar space. Stars the building blocks. Everywhere I look, stars shine. Each one is a massive ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, producing energy through nuclear fusion. Our sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Some stars are small red dwarfs, burning slowly for trillions of years. Others are giants, burning fast and ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. Black hole's the mystery. One of the most fascinating and frightening objects in the universe is the black hole. Formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, black holes have such intense gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape. We cannot see them directly, but we can observe their effects on nearby matter. The importance of exploration. Why do we explore? Some say it is for knowledge, others for survival. For me, it is both. Space is a vast laboratory. Studying planets like Venus teaches us about climate, geology, and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Learning about asteroids and comets helps us prepare for potential impacts. Observing stars and galaxies tells us where we came from and perhaps where we are going. Returning home. As my spacecraft turns back toward Earth, I see our planet once more small, fragile, and beautiful. In all my travels, I have found no other world quite like it. That is why we must protect it. Our journey to Venus and beyond has been a reminder that while the universe is vast and full of wonders, home is precious. I am Telornado, and this has been your window into the cosmos. The more we explore, the more we understand that knowledge is the most powerful tool we have. Until our next mission, stay curious.